is if factorial n by factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 ratio factorial n by factorial 4 factorial n minus 4 is coming equal to 2:1. My question is, what is n in this case? What is n? We should find out this. Question is, find out what is n if this condition holds. Factorial n by factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 and factorial n by factorial 4 factorial n minus 4, that is coming as 2:1. So if it is coming 2:1, then what is my n? You should find out. So to get this, what we do here, we will start with factorial n by factorial 2 factorial n minus 2. This is ratio, so when you convert this in multiplication, this will reverse out. Factorial 4 factorial n minus 4 by factorial n. And that is coming as 2/1. Factorial n clearly get cancelled out. Factorial 4 is bigger than factorial 2 and n minus 2 is bigger than n minus 4. So whatever the smaller factorial you keep as it is and whatever the greater factorial you should open till you get the smaller one. That means this way. Factorial 4 I'll write 4, 3, factorial 2. N minus 4 remain as it is. Divided by factorial 2 again as it is. N minus 2 when I take it will be n minus 2, n minus 3 and then factorial n minus 4. That is coming as 2/1. Factorial n minus 4 clearly get cancelled out. Factorial 2 get clearly cancelled out. Left is what?
4 or 2.
We can cancel 2 and 4 also. So 2 2s are 4 here. So left is 2 into 3 this side and here it has come out to be n minus 2 into n minus 3. N minus 2 is bigger, this is smaller. These are the two natural numbers, these are also the natural number, but we should write in a proper manner because bigger number compare with bigger and imagine smaller will be with smaller. So I should say it is 3 into 2 is equal to n minus 2 into n minus 3. Then clearly n minus 2 comes out to be 3 here because they are natural numbers. So n minus 2 is coming 3, n comes out to be 4. One more question right now please, like this. Factorial 2n by factorial 3 into factorial 2n minus 3 ratio factorial n by factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 is 44:3. My question is, find out what should be n here. Again, the same type of question here. 2n is bigger, 2n minus 3 is smaller. Here n is bigger, n minus 2 is smaller. Here 3, here 2. This is bigger, this is smaller. So first we will write in proper form factorial 2n by factorial 3 factorial 2n minus 3 into. This will reciprocate. So factorial 2 factorial n minus 2 by factorial n is 44/3. Yes or no? Now after this, factorial 2n is here, factorial 2n minus 3 is here. So this is bigger, this is smaller, so we should open it. 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 factorial 2n minus 3. This is 3 and this is 2, so I should write this as 3 factorial 2. factorial 2n minus 3. Here it will come factorial 2. N minus 2 and it is n. So factorial n minus 2 and it is n means I should write n minus 1 factorial n minus 2 coming 44 by 3. These two terms clearly cancel out. N minus 2 get cancel out. Factorial 2 get cancel out. Then this n get cancel out here. N minus 1 and this is 2n minus 2. So 2 can be taken common. So this can also cancel out and make it 2 here. Then what are the terms left? Just check here. 2 into 2, 4. Into 2n minus 1. Denominator is 3. This side 44 by 3. So this 3 and 3 cancel out. 4 cancel out with 11 now. So I got it 2n minus 1 is coming 11, or I should say 2n is coming 12, or I should say n is coming 6. Here, so n is coming 6 in this case. Next question, please. Prove that, it's another good question. Prove that factorial 2n by factorial n should be equal to 1, 3, 5 till 2n minus 1 to power n. Factorial 2n by factorial n, we have to prove as 1 into 3 into 5 till 2n minus 1 into 2 power n. This is the question we have.
So we have to take out volume.
Yes. First, we'll start with the left hand side now. Factorial, when you open, it will come 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3, and then it will come 3, 2, 1. Whole divided by factorial n. Right or no? 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3, 3, 2, 1 by factorial n. Now it has even terms also, odd terms also, and then total terms are 2n. 2n means even number of terms. Even number of terms, so I'll split this in two parts, all the odd terms together, all the even term together. And when you do this, you know that half of the term will be even and half of the term will be odd. When you have 6 terms, then 1, 3, 5 will be the odd terms, 2, 4, 6 will be the even terms. So even and odd are equal. So as you have 2n terms, so we will say n will be even and n will be odd. So I'll just separate them out. First term is 2n, that is even. Next is 2n minus 2. Next will be 2n minus 4. And last will be 2. Same way we'll take the odd terms now. 2n minus 1. 2n minus 3 till 3 and 1. Whole divided by factorial n. Now, as you have, this is n terms, so every term will give 2 out. And when we take every term 2 out, that means how many? 2 will be going out, n. So 2 power n will be going out. So in this case, 2 power n goes out. Left is what? N, n minus 1, n minus 2 till 1 here. And here it comes out to be 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, till 3 and 1. Whole divided by factorial n.
So please explain.
Yes?
So please explain it again.
This part is okay or no? Is
Yes,
this
sir.
part clear? Okay. Now, how many terms are there? There are n terms. N terms, and each term will be giving 2 out. Just like 6 you take. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then what I do here, first I'll write 6, 4, 2, and 1, 3, 5, or 5, 3, and 1, right? Then what I've done, every term given 2 out. कितने 2 बार होंगे? एक 2 यहाँ से आएगा, एक यहाँ से आएगा, एक यहाँ से आएगा. And it's a multiple, so यहाँ आके आपका 2 cube हो गया. यहाँ क्या बचेगा? 3, 2, 1, and here it is 5, 3, 1. So it is factorial 3. So here if it is 6 total, then 3 will be coming out. This was 2n total, this is n now, and this is n. कितने 2 बार आएंगे इसमें से? n बार आएंगे, तो 2 पावर n. वहां पे आपका 3 था तो 2 क्यूब आया था. यहाँ कितनी टर्म्स है? n टर्म्स है, तो 2 पावर n बार. Is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
Now, 1, 2, 3 till n. Is it your factorial n? ये क्या आपका factorial n है? 1, 2, 3 till n तक ये natural number आ रहे हैं. That means this is factorial n. So this part clearly get cancelled. And then finally, what answer we will get? That will be 2 power n.
Let's go reverse.
2n minus 1, 2n minus 3 till 3 and 1. And as they are in multiplication, I can reverse it. If there is a multiplication, I can reverse it. So 2 power n, it will be 1, 3, 5 till 2n minus 1. This is the answer. One more question like this, please write down. Prove that factorial 2n plus 1.
So can you explain the last?
What?
Sir, can you explain the last part which you did?
Last part was this, 2 power n was out, it was n, n minus 1, n minus 2 till 3, 2, 1. And here it was n,
So 2n minus 1.
2n minus 1, 2n minus 3 till 3 and 1. And denominator was factorial n. Factorial n, if you remember, it was n, n minus 1, n minus 2 till 3, 2, 1. That means this result match with this result. So this part and this part clearly get cancelled out, so I can cancel these two. And if I can cancel, answer will be 2 power n, and this is 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, 3 and 1. And as they are in multiplication, I can reverse it, because if you have 1, 2, 3, or you write down 3, 2, 1, there is one and the same thing. So I can reverse it. So next result come out to be 2 power n here, and I'll reverse it. 1, 3 till 2n minus. This is my answer. Another question, please. Prove that factorial 2n plus 1 by factorial n is equal to 2 power n into 1, 3, 5 till 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. This you have to do.
So that's the odd term example.
Yes, please do it. In this case, again, we will start with factorial 2n plus 1. This time, this is odd number. This is even. This is n only. Anything can be possible. So again, we will be having numerator is more than the denominator. So we should open the numerator here. First number will come 2n plus 1. 1 reduce. What it will come?
2n.
2n. One more reduce. 2n minus 1. One more reduce. 2n minus 2. And last will come 3, 2, 1. Whole divided by factorial n. Again, we will split this in two parts, all the even parts together, all the odd parts together. So even terms will be what? 2n minus 2 till 2. So I'll take them 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4, 4 and 2. 4 you can write here, no problem. Then odd terms, 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1, then comes out to be 3 and 1. Whole divided by factorial n. So first time we have separated out even term and odd terms. These are even terms, these are odd terms, separate even term and odd terms. Now, one more thing you should remember, that when there is a odd number of terms, even term will be one less than the odd. Means, for example, we have 7 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even terms will be 2, 4, 6. How many even terms? 3. But how many odd terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total will be 7, 3 plus 4. Same way if it is 9 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then even terms will be 2, 4, 6 and 8. 4 even terms plus odd terms will be 5. So 3 plus 4 or 4 plus 5. So if it is 7 terms, what I should do? Reduce 1 first. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 का आधा आधा करो 3 3. 3 and 3. Odd में एक टर्म बढ़ा दो plus 1. यहाँ आपकी 9 है, 9 का एक कम करो 8 हुआ, 4 4 टर्म पहले दोनों तरफ ले ली, फिर ऑड में एक और बढ़ा दी, 5 हो गए, राइट। ऐसे ही अब आपके पास यहाँ कितनी टर्म्स थी? 2n plus 1 थी। टोटल टर्म्स आर 2n plus 1। पहला काम एक कम कर दो 2n। 2n करते ही अब आपका क्या होगा? n टर्म इसको मिलेगी, n टर्म इसको मिलेगी। ये इवन हो गई, ये ऑड हो गई। और अब आपको क्या कहा? ऑड में एक बढ़ा दो, तो दैट इज +1।
ऑड में +1,
राइट। पहला काम इसका इवन पार्ट लेना है। ऑड नंबर में जो इवन पार्ट है, जैसे 9 है तो 8 लेना है, 11 है तो 10 करना है, 7 है तो 6 लेना है और उनका आधा आधा कर दो, और फिर एक नंबर किसमें बढ़ाना है? ऑड में बढ़ाना। अब यहां पर ये कितनी टर्म्स होंगी? ये होंगी n, और यहां कितनी टर्म्स होंगी? n plus 1। n and n plus 1, total will be 2n plus 1. So it is n terms here, it is n plus 1 terms here. Now, in this everywhere 2 will be common, so how many 2 will be going out? 2 power n goes up. Left is n, n minus 1, n minus 2 till 2 and 1. And here we get it 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 till 3 and 1, whole divided by factorial n. 1, 2, 3 till n. What it is it factorial n again? So this part clearly get cancelled out. What my answer left? It will be 2 power n, 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 till 3 and 1. This is my answer.